In this video, you'll learn how to verify your phone number on Taskrabbit. This process is essential for ensuring your account security and receiving important notifications. Begin by navigating to the Taskrabbit dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL taskrabbit.com/dashboard. Wait for the page to load completely, which may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the dashboard appears, look for the account option located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Account to reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your profile. Next, find Profile listed in the drop-down menu and click on it. This will direct you to your profile settings, where you can manage your personal information and preferences. After your profile settings load, locate the Edit button and click on it. This action will allow you to modify various aspects of your profile, including your phone number. Look for the section labeled Authentication Required. Click on this option to initiate the phone verification process. The screen will update to show options for verifying your phone number. Now, click on the Send Code button. A code will be sent to the phone number associated with your Taskrabbit account. Ensure that you have access to this phone, as you will need the code shortly. Once you receive the code via SMS, return to the Taskrabbit page, enter the received code into the designated field. After entering the code, click on the Verify button to complete the verification process. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully verified. If the code does not work, check your phone for any errors in entry or request a new code if necessary. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.